Christmas Day, 2018.
What's that thing?
No, you didn't. No. No way. Are you joking?
The other day.
Now you're probably thinking, why is a 22-year-old getting so excited over an electric skateboard? Well, here's a backstory. I was born with bad eyesight, and for as long as I've known, I've had to wear glasses or contacts. So I don't really know how to explain it, so I'm heading to my optometrist now so he can explain it for me.
You've got hypermetropia. Your eyeball is a lot smaller.
This is a Snellen eye chart. It's used to measure visual acuity. This red line represents 20/20 vision. This green line represents vision needed to drive, and this blue line represents my current vision. Long story short, I can't drive. I got my first boosted board in October 2017. It's been my main form of transportation since, and I have ridden over 2,000 kilometers. Nothing feels more like freedom than hitting the streets on it. With the boosted Mini X, I now have even more freedom. With longer range and easier portability, the riding options are endless.